I like to cook 廣東老火靚湯 is unique in Chinese food cultures, full of wisdom. First, 老火靚湯has the function of health preserving and conditioning, which is both soup and medicines. Chinese medical material are widely used in stewing soup. Second, 老火靚湯 is fresh and rich in flavor, emphasizing original flavor. Seasoning is minimal, with only sauce added. Third, the ingredients for 老火靚湯 are the freshest of season. Fourth, we have the custom of drinking soups before meals, promote digestion and enhance the feelings of fullness. It can keep the body slim and healthy. Very good Chinese health concepts.